Okay, dear student, let's start today's topic. So, yesterday we have discussed our new agenda for national education. So, what were the points in new agenda for national education? So, we have discussed 3 points. So, they have make English as a medium for a higher education, and later on, second point, they will give the extra budget to open for a university, colleges or schools. And third point, we have discussed in the new agenda for national education, that was how the Rabindranath Tagore and Mahatma Gandhi criticized the Western education system, or we can say in other words, British system. So today we are going to discuss about what were the views of Mahatma Gandhi and Rabindranath Tagore, and what were the differences between the both views. दोनों की सोच और thought में क्या difference था? So today we are going to discuss about Mahatma Gandhi views about the education. In second point, we'll discuss Rabindranath Tagore started a new school, that is Shanti Niketan, abroad of peace. And in third point, we'll discuss about the differences between the both thoughts or views. So Mahatma Gandhi views, what were the Mahatma Gandhi views about the Western education. Just a minute here. So Mahatma Gandhi views about the education. So what a Mahatma Gandhi thought कि Western education may be polluted our culture. It may be enslaved Indians' mind. They can't develop themselves mentally or soul. उनकी आत्मा और self respect और moral duties, moral values को promote करने के लिए it will be based on the written book knowledge in place of oral knowledge. So it will be focus on the written book knowledge in place of the oral knowledge, or textbook knowledge is not a must compared than the practical knowledge. It means कि if you are studying the textbook or written knowledge or theory knowledge, so practical knowledge is better than the reading or writing knowledge. Practical when means when we are doing the such thing and we observe from our action or work, this is known as the practical knowledge. So today we have discussed the agriculture chapter, but there are many students who don't know about how to we grow the such variety of crops. We don't know practical knowledge about the crops, how to be sown. We know that in the month of July or maybe the October, November, such crop are sown, but we don't know कि what deep और मे बी कितना उसको inside soil और कितना sampling और seeds को डाला जाता है. So these are the practical knowledge. Practical knowledge they like a pigeons of farmer. So they have good knowledge compared with us about their crop. So practical knowledge is important compared with the written knowledge. So this was the views of Mahatma Gandhi कि we must be develop our moral values or self-respect. अगर suppose books maybe make anyone as learned or maybe the written knowledge, but can't educated anyone. Educated means what? First, think about the what are the literate and education. Literate or education, these are the two words. Literate means the anyone who know about the writing part, reading knowledge, arithmetic knowledge means the simple calculation, and writing knowledge. So triple R known as the literate. Triple R means the reading, writing, and arithmetic knowledge. So such person we can say literate. So Western education makes us literate only. But education means what? Education means in education all the things come. We can take the education anytime from anyone, not from the NCRT book or like this. Anyone we can learn through the nature also, we can learn through the other people also. So education we can take anytime, 24 hours to 7 hours. Okay, anytime we can learn from anyone. This is suppose just take an example of the Mohammed Ghazali. He saw the a spider और कैसे एक स्पाइडर वॉल पे चढ़ रही थी और 15 to 16 टाइम व्हेन शी ट्राई और fall down चढ़ती गिर जाती वापस लेट ऑन एज ए रिजल्ट व्हाट हैपेंस फाइनली शी सक्सीड वो सक्सीड हो जाती है तो व्हाट ए एजुकेशन टेकन बाय द मोहम्मद गजनी कि व्हेन कंटिन्यूअसली एफर्ट्स we put the continued effort so finally we may be success so as it happens when he attacked on the Somnath temple or finally he succeed so this happens this is known as the education is the art way of talking art polite nature of living how to be judge other person this all are come in education so dear student compare then the literate knowledge education is better. Okay, so that was the use of the Mahatma Gandhi. Later on, Tagore. So what a Tagore thought about the Western education. So he also criticized the Western education, but he favored the science and technological knowledge. And he he didn't like the schools where the children are bounded or maybe they can't creative they can't do such thing whatever during their childhood should be required yeah only or like this so according to Tagore he settled a new school abroad from the Kolkata 100 kilometers far away from Kolkata that school name was the Santiniketan where children can learn through the nature through the art through the music through the dance. So these are the things which play the important role. Through the art, we can creative or maybe create art animation. We can create such pictures. We can create the such environment like this where we want to live. So this is the creativity. बच्चों को creativity से सीखना चाहिए. Children should be learned through the different process, like a drawing, art, music. Also, we can learn through the music. Just a wait here. Just a minute. So children should be learned through the nature. This was the views of Rabindranath Tagore. And differences between the both views. कि महात्मा गांधी felt कि oral knowledge is best or our education's medium should be our language. Because during childhood, children are familiar with her or his language, local or regional language. So when we put the English as a medium of education, so they are unable to learn such, they are unable to express their views or ideas. And what Rabindranath Tagore ki science, technical and science knowledge must be compulsory to make a society as a modern society. So this was the main variation or difference between the both views of Mahatma Gandhi and Rabindranath Tagore. So dear student, are CBSE also following the such pattern in 2021 education policy till primary section education's medium as a or regional language. Suppose whatever regional language may be using in particular region, it will be medium to, for a primary section. So CBSE day by day innovations is going on and they decided which language may be more favorable for the any student. So dear student, today we have discussed the 3 point English education as in syllabus, Tagore abroad of peace, and the difference between the educational views of Mahatma Gandhi and Rabindranath Tagore. So let's in detail we are going to discuss. Okay, this one is the last topic of our chapter. Later on I will send the NCERT solution also if we able to complete our topic today. So Mahatma Gandhi views about the Western education. So Mahatma Gandhi urged the colonial education created the sense of inferiority. Inferiority means the what? कि we thought कि Western education is better than our education system. So mind may be inferior. What inferior हम create करेंगे कि Western culture is better than our culture. Western system is better than us. तो एक inferiority आ जाएगी एक mind के अंदर. Okay. Second one. It may be the enslave the Indians. Enslave the Indians means what? गुलाम कैसे बना लेंगे Indians को? Enslave the Indians means कि when we are learning through the such language which are not originate from our country, so we have such foundation. Our mind will be developed whatever frame will be given by the Western system. जो भी वेस्टर्न सिस्टम एजुकेशन सिस्टम जो भी फ्रेमवर्क देंगे हम उसी के अकॉर्डिंग डेवलप होंगे तो वी कांट यूटिलाइज आवर माइंड अकॉर्डिंग आवर विश तो इट विल बी इंस्लेव्ड आवर माइंड इट कास्ट ए इविल स्पेल ऑन देम एक काला जादू कर देगा उन पे लोगों पे जैसे सपोज वेस्टर्न कल्चर इज बेस्ड ऑन लाइक दिस तो इट डिस्ट्रॉय द ट्राइड इंडियंस and in their own culture so it will be destroy our culture maybe our moral values or our Athens जो हमारी duties और Athens cultures like this so it will be destroy our culture that was the views of Mahatma Gandhi and second point Mahatma Gandhi wanted to education should be in Indian recover their sense of dignity and self-respect education system like such where we have the dignity self-respect you are studying class 7 both the point what is the dignity what are the self-respect where the self-respect comes in our side to be naturally motivated or inspired only so it's our education should be develop the our self-respect according to Mahatma Gandhi Indian language should be medium of a education that can develop their soul or maybe mind जो उसके mental or soul both should be developed so when both will be developed when we use our local or maybe Indian language as a medium of education so Mahatma Gandhi thought ki western education focus on the reading and writing only rather than the oral knowledge so Western education is focused on the reading and writing knowledge rather than oral knowledge. So we can say in other words, it is only textbook knowledge, not a practical knowledge. Practical knowledge नहीं होगा इसमें, textbook knowledge होगा. Whatever lecture I am giving, that is the theoretical knowledge. क्या आपको theoretical knowledge है? Practical knowledge should be different. Practical knowledge when we do the practical like this. This is suppose many times we have studied in such news, such type of a different structure are found in trees or like this. But when we do the practical inside the biolab in senior classes, so when we observe all the things, so we know very well. जब हम आपको से देखते हैं किसी काम को करते हैं तो वो जो लर्निंग और वो चीज होती है इट विल बी मोर परमानेंट इन आवर माइंड वो ज्यादा समय लॉन्ग पीरियड के लिए एक मेमोरी होती है जो चीज हम देखते हैं कंपेयर देन सुनने की जगह और तो दिस आर द व्यूज ऑफ महात्मा गांधी व्हाट वर द व्यूज ऑफ टैगोर तो रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर स्टार्टेड द शांति निकेतन इन 1901 when he started the Shanti Niketan 1901 he established the Shanti Niketan in 1901 Tagore as a child attended the going to school बचपन में dislike करते थे स्कूल जाना रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर he described school as the prison मतलब he described school as the prison means the एक जेल होता है inside where what means the order given by the teacher student are following that उसी को follow करते हैं they can't do their self creativity so that's why he has used such word कि school is the prison for the children he said he could never do what he felt like doing to school वो कभी वो नहीं कर सकता जो वो चाहता है student okay so he wanted to set up a school where children were happy where they could be free and creative they may be creative they can learn through the different process nature or like this where they are creative where the child was able to explore their own thought वो खुद के thoughts को explore करे innovative हो तो desires free creative होनी चाहिए तो he felt that childhood ought to be that self learning एक जो childhood होता है ना बचपन ये पीरियड होता है that period is the for self learning खुद से खुद को सीखने का टाइम होता है when we see anyone we observe the something when we anyone doing the such work we can learn through that okay child during the childhood you have seen ki if your mother or your parents may be watching the TV or serial, so many times you may be asked what is going on, ये कौन character है, ऐसा क्यों हुआ, why this happens. So childhood is the complete बैंक ऑफ क्यूरियोसिटी. एक क्वेश्चन बैंक होता है एक चाइल्ड के बच्चे, चाइल्ड के अंदर एक क्यूरियोसिटी जो होती है, बहुत ज्यादा जिज्ञासा और पूछने की इच्छा होती है. तो जब when they try to find out the solution, तो वो उतना ही सीखेगा जब खुद अपने थॉट्स को वह क्यूरियोसिटी में क्रिएट करेगा. तो that was the views of Tagore, and Tagore has lived to teach the science and technology, as it art, music, and dance also. So, according to Rabindranath Tagore, creative learning could be increased within a natural environment. Set up a school 100 kilometers far away from the Calcutta and rural setting is so that the abode of peace, Shanti Niketan, where all students can live through the in peaceful environment, where living harmony with nature and cultivated their natural activity. They can learn through the natural activity like this. So earlier I was given one example also how to we can learn through the nature. And now last point is coming to the difference between the both. Mahatma Gandhi thought the Western education enabling the Indian culture, means the pressurized or dominating the Indian culture, Western education. So he also felt that idea of the Western education could be modernized the Indian people, but not educated them. कि Western education can modernize us, हमें modernize बना सकता है. जैसे suppose our personality we are using the tie or like this, so we create the such impunity कि such person are more educated. Those who are using the dhoti or kurta like a rural dress or like a rural uniform. So this impunity comes in our mind. But don't forget कि Swami Vivekananda always wear the dhoti or kurta like, or he was the learned person. Vedic knowledge इतना उनके अंदर था. तो we can't judge any person with his or her dress up. हम उसके ड्रेसिंग से किसी को जज नहीं कर सकते. But such creativity or such infinity comes through the English education. कि those people who are wearing the tie, coat, or like they are more educated, they are more learned compared to such people. Okay. So that was the views of Mahatma Gandhi, and Tagore wanted to combine good aspect of the science and technological and importance of science technological within along with the art, music and dance. So these are the views of Mahatma Gandhi and Rabindranath Tagore, dear students. So today we have completed 3 points of this last topic, or if you have any doubt, you may be asked.